When winter hits, shoveling snow can become a dreaded chore. But the best electric snow shovels are here to make your life easier. These powerful tools offer a convenient, eco-friendly solution for clearing snow without the hassle of gas or oil. In this video, we'll explore some of the top options that deliver efficiency, power, and ease of use, helping you choose the perfect one for your needs. Let's dive in. Ego Power Plus Snow Shovel Kit. The Ego Power Plus Snow Shovel Kit offers a powerful, efficient solution for clearing snow without the noise or hassle of gas-powered equipment. This versatile snow shovel is designed for small to medium snow removal jobs, with a 12-inch clearing width and the ability to throw snow up to 25 feet. With the included 56-volt 4.0 amp-hour AIRC lithium battery, it can clear a 4-car driveway with 6 inches of snow on a single charge, offering an impressive runtime. The high-efficiency brushless motor ensures smooth operation with minimal vibrations, while the overload protection system prevents damage by automatically releasing auger rotation under heavy load. The variable speed trigger and 2-speed selector allow for flexibility, whether you're tackling light snowfall or heavier accumulation. Its weather-resistant construction and IPX4 rating mean it's durable enough to withstand various conditions. While the snow shovel is slightly heavier than expected, it's still manageable for most users. It's compatible with other Ego multi-head attachments, offering further versatility. Overall, the Ego Power Plus Snow Shovel is a robust, user-friendly tool that provides powerful performance and long-lasting durability, making it a great investment for winter weather. EARTHWISE Snow Shovel. The EARTHWISE corded snow shovel is a standout for anyone looking for a reliable and eco-friendly solution to snow removal. This corded electric snow shovel is powered by a 10-amp motor, which easily clears snow up to 5 inches deep with a 12-inch clearing width. It's perfect for smaller tasks like clearing sidewalks, driveways, and patios. The dual-blade curved auger can throw snow up to 25 feet and moves about 300 pounds of snow per minute, ensuring a fast and efficient job. Weighing just under 6 kilograms, this snow shovel is surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver. The adjustable handle adds to the comfort, allowing users of all heights to use it without strain. Plus, the rear wheel makes it easy to transport, especially in deeper snow. One of its biggest advantages is the corded design, which eliminates the need for oil or gas and offers a more environmentally friendly, low-maintenance option compared to gas-powered blowers. However, it's best suited for lighter snowfalls in smaller areas, so if you're dealing with heavy snow, this might not be the tool for you. Overall, it's an affordable, efficient solution for everyday winter needs. GREENWORKS Cordless Snow Shovel. If you're in the market for a reliable, powerful snow removal tool, the GREENWORKS Cordless Snow Shovel is worth considering. This cordless snow shovel delivers impressive performance with its 80-volt battery, clearing snow efficiently with a 12-inch width and up to 6-inch depth. Whether you're tackling a small driveway or clearing sidewalks, the shovel's brushless motor ensures long-lasting power and smooth operation. The auger throws snow up to 20 feet, making quick work of snow piles. What makes this shovel stand out is its lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver and use for extended periods without causing strain. With an impressive runtime of 20 to 25 minutes on a single charge, it's perfect for small to medium-sized snow clearing jobs. While it doesn't handle deep snow beyond 6 inches, it excels in lighter snowfalls. Another highlight is its compatibility with other GREENWORKS 80-volt tools, giving you flexibility if you already own other GREENWORKS products. The shovel's ergonomic handle provides comfort during use, and despite its compact size, it packs enough power to rival larger, gas-powered snowblowers. For homeowners looking for an eco-friendly, hassle-free solution, the GREENWORKS Cordless Snow Shovel is an excellent choice. Convenient, powerful, and easy to use. SUPERHANDY Cordless Snow Shovel. If you're looking for a powerful and efficient snow removal solution without the hefty price tag, the SUPERHANDY Cordless Snow Shovel is worth considering this year. This lightweight and compact electric snow thrower offers a practical solution for clearing light snow around your home. With a 10-inch clearing width and the ability to handle snow depths up to 5 inches, it's perfect for patios, sidewalks, and driveways. The 20-volt electric motor moves up to 300 pounds of snow per minute and throws it up to 25 feet, ensuring you can clear a path quickly. Plus, it's eco-friendly, requiring no gas or oil, so you can enjoy a quieter, maintenance-free operation that's better for the environment. Weighing just 10 pounds, the SUPERHANDY snow shovel is easy to maneuver, and its ergonomic handle design reduces strain, making it user-friendly for everyone. While it's not built for heavy snow, it's ideal for light to moderate accumulation. With a hassle-free design and impressive performance, the SUPERHANDY cordless snow shovel is a great choice for homeowners who want an efficient, easy-to-use snow removal tool. Whether you're clearing a small driveway or just tidying up the patio, this affordable shovel gets the job done with ease. Snow Joe Cordless Snow Shovel. The Snow Joe Cordless Snow Shovel is a must-have for tackling light to moderate snowfall in 2025. This lightweight powerhouse packs a 24-volt battery system that clears up to 300 pounds of snow per minute, throwing it up to 20 feet. It's perfect for driveways, sidewalks, and patios, with a 13-inch clearing width that gets the job done quickly without taking up too much space. Despite its compact size, this snow shovel is incredibly efficient. At just 12 pounds, it's easy to handle, making snow removal less taxing on your body. The ergonomic handle design reduces strain and enhances comfort during use, ensuring a smooth operation from start to finish. Plus, the 4.0 amp-hour battery ensures you can clear snow without constantly needing a recharge. With the Snow Joe, you get the reliability of cordless performance and the freedom of easy storage. However, it's important to note that it's best suited for light to moderate snow. Heavy, wet snow may require multiple passes to clear. Overall, the Snow Joe Snow Shovel offers excellent value for anyone needing a simple, effective solution for residential snow removal. It's a solid choice for easy, eco-friendly snow clearing all winter long.